Very few cameras in history have generated the level of excitement, demand, and hype that the Fujifilm X100VI has created. Most cameras appeal primarily to photographers and videographers. The Fujifilm X100VI has gone far beyond that audience and become a social media phenomenon. It is discussed constantly on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, photography forums, and travel blogs. Many people searching for information about the X100VI have never even owned a dedicated camera before. The most surprising thing about the X100VI is that its popularity cannot be explained by specifications alone. There are cameras available with faster autofocus systems, more advanced video features, and interchangeable lenses. Yet few cameras have generated the same level of public interest. The Fujifilm X100VI has become one of the most desired cameras in the world. Many stores have waiting lists stretching for months. Used cameras frequently sell for prices above retail value because demand remains so high. One of the biggest reasons for the camera's popularity is its design. Unlike many modern cameras that look highly technical and complicated, the X100VI embraces a classic, vintage appearance. The camera is inspired by traditional film cameras from decades ago. It features physical shutter speed dials, exposure compensation controls, and a dedicated aperture ring on the lens. These physical controls allow photographers to adjust settings quickly without diving into menus. Many photographers enjoy the tactile experience of turning actual dials instead of navigating digital screens. The camera feels more connected to the photographic process. Its metal construction gives it a premium feel that many users appreciate. Even people who know very little about photography often find the X100VI visually appealing. The camera looks timeless rather than overly technological. Another reason for its popularity is its simplicity. Unlike most professional camera systems, the X100VI does not use interchangeable lenses. The camera features a permanently attached 23mm lens. This lens provides a field of view roughly equivalent to a classic 35mm lens on a full-frame camera. Many photographers consider 35mm to be one of the most versatile focal lengths ever created. It works well for travel photography. It works well for street photography. It works well for landscapes. It works well for environmental portraits. It works well for everyday life photography. At first, many people assume that having only one lens is a disadvantage. However, many photographers discover that limitations often increase creativity. Instead of constantly changing lenses, photographers focus more on composition and storytelling. The simplicity encourages users to spend more time taking photographs and less time thinking about equipment. Perhaps the single biggest reason behind the X100XI's popularity is Fujifilm's film simulations. Film simulations allow photographers to create beautiful images directly inside the camera. Many modern photographers spend hours editing their photos on computers. The X100VI offers an alternative approach. The camera can produce stunning JPEG images that often require little or no editing. Popular film simulations include Classic Chrome, Velvia, Acros, Classic Negative, and Reala Ace. Each simulation creates a different mood and color palette. Some simulations produce rich, vibrant colors. Others create muted, documentary-style tones. Some create dramatic black and white images. Many photographers enjoy experimenting with these creative looks. Film simulations have become one of the defining features of the Fujifilm brand. The rise of custom film simulation recipes has further increased the camera's popularity. Photographers share their favorite settings online. Other users can then recreate those looks on their own cameras. This has created a strong online community around the X100VI. Portability is another major reason people love this camera. Many photographers own larger professional camera systems. Those systems often produce incredible image quality. However, they can be heavy and inconvenient to carry. Large cameras frequently get left at home. The X100VI solves this problem. Its compact design makes it easy to carry almost anywhere. It fits easily into a small bag, backpack, or jacket pocket. Because it is easy to carry, owners often bring it with them every day. This leads to more photographs being taken. The best camera is often the one you actually have with you when something interesting happens. One of the most significant upgrades in the X100VI is the addition of in-body image stabilization. Previous X100 models did not include this feature. Image stabilization allows photographers to shoot at slower shutter speeds while keeping images sharp. This is especially useful in low-light situations. It allows photographers to capture better images without increasing ISO settings excessively. The feature makes the camera more versatile for travel and everyday photography. Street photography has become one of the genres most closely associated with the X100VI. Its compact size makes it less intimidating than larger professional camera systems. People often react differently when they see a small camera. Subjects tend to be more relaxed and natural. This allows photographers to capture authentic moments more easily. The quiet shutter and compact body make the camera an excellent choice for documenting everyday life. Social media has played a massive role in the X100VI's success. YouTube creators began making videos about the camera. Travel photographers showcased stunning images from around the world. TikTok creators highlighted film simulations and everyday carry setups. Instagram users filled feeds with cinematic photographs straight from the camera. As more people shared content about the X100VI, interest continued to grow. The camera became a trend, far beyond traditional photography circles. Many people wanted to understand why everyone seemed to be talking about the same camera. This curiosity created even more attention. Scarcity has also contributed significantly to the camera's popularity. Demand has consistently exceeded supply. Many customers have faced long wait times. Some buyers have turned to the used market. Used prices often rise above retail because the camera is difficult to find. Scarcity creates a powerful psychological effect. When people see a product constantly selling out, they naturally become more interested. The difficulty of obtaining the camera has made it seem even more desirable. Another important reason for the X100VI's popularity is how it compares to smartphones. Modern smartphones are incredibly capable cameras. They produce excellent images in many situations. However, smartphones often rely heavily on computational photography. The X100VI provides a different experience. Its larger sensor captures more natural image data. Its dedicated controls create a stronger connection between the photographer and the image. Many users find the process more rewarding than simply pulling out a phone. Perhaps the most important reason people love the X100VI is the way it makes them feel. Countless owners report taking more photographs after purchasing the camera. Many photographers who had lost motivation suddenly rediscovered their passion for photography. The camera encourages creativity. It encourages exploration. It encourages experimentation. It encourages people to document everyday life. This emotional connection cannot be measured on a specification sheet. Yet it may be the most valuable feature of all. The Fujifilm X100VI is more than just a camera. It combines nostalgia, modern technology, portability, image quality, and creative simplicity into a single package. It has become a cultural phenomenon rather than simply another piece of camera equipment. That is why so many people want one. That is why videos about it generate millions of views. That is why waiting lists remain long. And that is why the Fujifilm X100VI has become one of the most talked about cameras in the world.